When a ransomware attack happens, Nasuni knows that every second matters. That's why we've introduced Nasuni's Ransomware Protection Add-on Service. Nasuni's File Data Platform automatically protects your enterprise file data with continuous file versioning, so file changes are kept safe and immutable. And the platform's rapid ransomware recovery can recover millions of files across any number of locations in just seconds. Our ransomware protection add-on service dramatically shortens the overall timeline of the attack by adding detection and response capabilities. The service starts by detecting live ransomware attacks as they happen in real time at the edge. Known and unknown ransomware signatures, including zero-day attacks, will all be quickly detected with Nasuni's detection algorithm that identifies any destructive activity associated with ransomware attacks. Then the system automatically responds with mitigation policies to stop the attack and help you recover fast. And with Nasuni's targeted restore process, administrative work is minimized with a streamlined, precise recovery process that just takes a few clicks. Let's see it in action. Activating ransomware detection and mitigation is as easy as flipping a switch from off to on. The ransomware mitigation policies are designed to block a client that's involved in an attack. By doing so, we reduce the impact that attacker can have on the file system and limit the number of files that can be encrypted as part of the attack. There's also the option to adjust the default confidence levels that set the threshold for alerting of an incident, and blocking a suspected client based on the magnitude of activity detected using ransomware behavioral patterns and known file name patterns. The current settings will create an incident at a medium confidence level and block the client when it reaches a high confidence of an attack. I'll click the Save button, and the NMC will set this policy on all of the edge appliances connected to this volume. Now let's see how it works in an attack. Here we will simulate a ransomware attack for that client with a directory of example files. Notice that this simulation is using a randomly generated ransomware signature that is not in our known database, but the system will still recognize the malicious activity. Because the system is looking at destructive actions, it not only will detect known ransomware signatures, but also zero-day attacks and ransomware attacks that generate a random signature. At this point, the script has begun encrypting files, and when we jump over to the incident management page, we can see that a medium confidence level has been reached, creating an incident and sending alerts to key stakeholders. If we now continue our simulated attack, you can see that the system quickly reaches the confidence level to trigger the mitigation policies and block the client. This means that the script can't damage the files any further. Otherwise, if left unmitigated, an attack can potentially impact tens of thousands or even millions of files in a very short period of time. Back in Nasuni's incident management section, the incident now shows a high confidence level. A shield icon indicates that the system has proactively responded to the attack using the mitigation policies and that the client was blocked. The attack has been stopped and controlled, and we can now access the incident report to fully understand the scope of the attack. Nasuni's ransomware attack incident report starts with a summary of key details about the incident, including the clients involved, the volume involved, and the number of files that were encrypted. We also can see the confidence levels met for incident creation and mitigation, as well as an event timeline. The timeline illustrates key events related to the incident, including the last completed snapshot that was taken prior to the beginning of the incident. Now that we have all of the details of the attack, we can now move back to the NMC and initiate Nasuni's targeted restore process. This opens up a dialog for a restore job that is automatically configured for that incident with the exact files that were affected by the attack and the last clean snapshot. All the admin has to do is review the details of the restore, configure a few final settings, and confirm the restore. When a ransomware attack happens, time becomes money, and every second you save reduces the economic impact on your organization. Nasuni's ransomware protection is designed with this in mind. We help your team respond quickly and ensure end users are back to accessing their files as quickly as possible. To learn how Nasuni's ransomware protection services can help your organization thrive in the face of today's ransomware threats, visit nasuni.com and contact us today.